Hey guys, so I had a few minutes here. I was gonna plant some of my onions, and I thought, well, I should just grab my phone real quick and record this because I did a snail for my onions on March 22nd, and I was like, whatever happens, happens. So I just unraveled this, and look at this. Look at these roots. This is amazing. And I have so many in here. If I'd just done these in little pots, they'd never have roots like this. They're just so long. And they're ready to be planted. So I'm trying to decide where to put them. So I'm just doing this one spot here. I'm gonna do a few until I decide because I got a lot. And I don't know where I'm planting everything else yet. So I have a few in there. There's one. There's two. I tried to put them by the water thingies. There's one, there's one. So I'll do a few more. See how that goes. It's getting late. I don't have much sunlight left. So I'll do a check-in video on the rest of my garden in a few days. See you soon. I made the seed snail. This was using the bag for my soil. And then I put it inside here and taped it up like overwintering seeds. I did it March 22nd. Today's like April 24th, I think. These are candy onion white. I just rolled it up and sprinkled them on. And like I said, I put them in here, left it outside, and this is what got in 1 month. Super amazing. I definitely recommend doing this snail thing. And I'm putting it in the jug really worked out good overwintering. And then I could just pull them out and not have to worry about disturbing all the soil. So I can roll this back up and finish the rest tomorrow. So I just thought that was pretty cool. That was my first time doing the snail. See ya.